Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Hope you're all doing pretty sweet, flashing smiles on your beautiful faces. This is Flying Skies One, welcomes you all to watch videos and please support me and encourage me. If any of you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. And I thank all the subscribers from the bottom of my heart who have subscribed my channel and giving their valuable feedbacks. Thank you so much. I wanted to spill a secret as we are coming to the fag end of this year and the Christmas season is on. You think, is this the secret that I wanted to spill? No, the secret is still on. That is, the Shopee shopping is still on with the budget deals, and you can get at 49 rupees, 100 rupees, or even 1 rupee also every hour. This is men's 2XL t-shirt that costed me 100 rupees. Half sleeves are given and they're stretchable. The quality is good. This is ideal for men and a casual wear. It has got durable stitch as seen in the picture with quality finish, and it has got anti-fade and odorless features, and you can go for hand wash, gentle hand wash. It's got a round collar. You can pair it with your jeans or pants. This is one more product I have purchased. This is a trouser for girls or women. I've got XL size, and it costed me 49 rupees. The product cost is 12.99 rupees, and in budget deals I've got it for just 49 rupees. You can watch the wide difference of the cost. It's not even cost 5% of the MRP. Buttons are given. It's a Trini Pant that you can comfortably wear and walk down the streets. An elastic waist is given, and a hook is given, and with the zip to fasten. And I was very happy on receiving this product because the quality was good, the stitch was durable, and I've given you the bill also because these are unbelievable deals, right? And one more product I've purchased is long frock or the gown. It costed me 59 rupees. 12.99 rupees is the MRP. The side zip is given. It is fit and flare gown, a peach color, which I always love to wear. And fit and flare in the sense it comes fit to the top body, and the skirt or the bottom flares out, increasing your comfortability. It has got a round neck, and the fabric is cotton blend rayon. The waist strap is given as shown in the picture. It's multicolored gown. The sleeves are of long sleeves. It's a type of anarkali gown. Is it not beautiful? You want one more, right? If you see this, yes, you can purchase it on Shopee with deals that go on for every 2 hours. Happy shopping. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Flying Skies One. And please, I need all your support. Keep smiling.